came here. I hope you have a great time watching this show. Thank you. Wait, and I almost forgot. My first member will be Lane Christopher. Hi, my name is Lane Christopher, and I am 7 years old. And my project is a flying saucer and a paper airplane. My first project I'm gonna do is the flying saucer. It's used for like a frisbee, or you can just keep it for display. And these are all the details, and you can pass it around to see it. And then there's more details on the back.
Very nice. I love it.
Our next project, my next project is a paper airplane, and it has a lot of designs. So you can just pass it around and look at all the designs. There's a top, side, and side. So just pass that around.
Ooh, I like it. Very aerodynamic.
Lots of good details. Excellent, excellent. Yes, very nice.
Our next person will be out in about 1 to 5 minutes. Hi. My name is Christopher. I have two projects, and I'm 6. And these are used for making robots. By the way, our next actor will be out in about 45 minutes or more. I did it. You can pass them around and see it. And this is, you want me to tell you how this sounds when you're making it, when you're doing hacking and this stuff.
Yes, tell us how it sounds when you're hacking into stuff. Very cool.
Thank you.
That's awesome. I want to hack into something.
Excellent work.
Warning on there.
Okay.
I didn't see him.
Very nice. Excellent.
And as I said, 25 minutes, second actor.
Okay.
Here's one more thing to share, I'm sorry.
Oh.
It's just a mask plane. I don't make them know that. It's just a metal mask.
Awesome.
To keep you from getting it.
Bravo. Good job, you guys.
Good, yeah.
It's like a welder's mask. It's a welder's mask he made.
Right. And the